guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. The following one error notification while I try to make a Zoom meeting and it shows failed to detect your microphone. Please make sure your microphone is properly connected. So how to fix this issue? And here I show the two methods to fix this problem. So first method is if you get this message. So now in this section in bottom it shows some options. So here you can press this arrow mark from join audio option and then go to audio settings. So here you can check it. In this microphone section it shows your input device or not, which means that it shows your microphone device name or not. But unfortunately it does not show my device name. So I try to unplug my web camera, or you can unplug your microphone, and after the few seconds I try to plug it. So now this time it shows my microphone device name, and if you want to switch this device, just click to open it. So here you can select any one of them. So now we can close the settings window. So once your microphone is detected successfully, and also make a one sample test by simply press that same arrow mark and then select test speaker and microphone, and it starts to playing the one music. So you can test your microphone. So you can complete these processes, and this is method 1. So if this method not works, just follow the second method, and the method is just open your Windows settings. So here you can go to privacy settings. So now in this section in left side it shows some options. So here you can select microphone and simply press this option change and click to enable it, and then scroll down. So here also you can click to enable these settings. Allow desktop apps to access your microphone. So once you enable this option, just close all the settings window and one time restart your Windows PC. So after the restarting is completed, so now one more time I try to access my Zoom meeting. So I hope this time your microphone will work smoothly and it does not show any other error notifications. So this is the way you can easily fix your Zoom microphone not detected issue by watching my tutorial. For more tech